We'll guide you through how to compare ChatGPT models. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Once you're there, you need to log into your account. If you don't have one, quickly make an account by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see different models available for use. Look for the option that says Models or Model Overview in the navigation menu. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page that lists the various ChatGPT models. Here, you'll find essential information about each model, such as their capabilities, limitations, and specific use cases. To compare them effectively, pay attention to the model version numbers and descriptions. The latest models usually have more advanced features and improvements over the older ones. You can click on each model to get a detailed breakdown, including performance benchmarks, which will help you understand how they differ. If you're still unsure which model to choose, consider your specific needs. Are you looking for something that handles complex queries, or one that can generate creative text? Some models are optimized for speed, while others focus on accuracy. Once you've gathered enough information, you can make an informed decision on which model best suits your needs. Remember, you can always switch between models if your requirements change. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.